Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In the following video, I will guide you to fix no sound issue on Clash Royale. So if you are not being able to get the sound on Clash Royale, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data. So if you are already connected and if you are still not getting the sound, then you just need to open Play Store or App Store on your device, and from here you just need to search Clash Royale and check if there is any update available for that. So if there is any update available for the app and if you have not updated it, that may also be the reason that your Clash Royale is not having the sound of it. So after updating the app and if you are still not able to get the sound, then you just need to open Clash Royale on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. And after logging into your account, click on the three dots at the very top right and click on the option of settings. So after going on settings, here you will see the option of audio and make sure that all of it are on. So if you disable the option of SFX volume, then you won't be able to get the sound. So make sure that all of it are on the device. So by doing all of it, you'll be able to fix the issue of no sound of Clash Royale. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.